In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on MMS messages on Android. If your photos, videos, or group messages aren't coming through, it's usually because MMS requires a couple of simple settings to be enabled. Don't worry, this will only take a minute, and I will walk you through it clearly so your messages start working the way they should. First, make sure mobile data is turned on. MMS can't be sent or received over Wi-Fi alone, even if your Wi-Fi is strong. On your Android phone, swipe down from the top of your screen to open the Quick Settings panel. Look for the mobile data icon. This is often shown as up and down arrows. 4G, 5G, or signal bars with arrows. Tap it to turn it on. If it's already on, you are set. Keeping mobile data enabled doesn't turn off your Wi-Fi. It just allows your phone to use the data connection when it needs to send or receive MMS. The amount of data used for a single picture or group text is typically very small. But if you are on a strict data plan, just be aware of that. If you use 2 SIM cards, make sure the one you use for texting has mobile data enabled. Next, turn on auto download for MS, so pictures and group messages are fetched automatically. Open your default SMS app. Many Android phones use Google Messages by default. In the app, tap your profile picture or the 3 dots in the top right corner to open the menu. From there, go to Advanced. Or, on some phones, select your SIM card to see more options. Look for a setting labeled Auto Download MS or Auto Retrieve, and switch it on. With this enabled, your phone will automatically download media and group messages in the background, so you won't see tap to download prompts. If you notice an additional setting for downloading MMS while roaming, choose what fits your plan. Leaving it off avoids unexpected charges when traveling. A quick note, menu names can vary slightly by phone maker or Android version. But the path is the same idea. Open your messaging app. Go into its settings, then find the MS section under Advanced or your SIM settings. If you can't find it, use the search bar inside the app's settings and type MS. That's it. Thanks for watching.